Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make an infinite obsidian generator in Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So all you have to do is to have three things: a lava bucket, a water bucket, and make sure you have stone stairs, not anything flammable like wooden. All you have to do is to place one block right here, one right there, one right there. Then from here you're going to open up like that. Then place a stone stair towards this direction right here. You're just going to place water right there. Now, before we place our lava buckets, we need to make sure that allow commands is enabled. So from here in the options or in the open to LAN, you need to make sure that allow commands is on. You can also check that by going back, and then from here you can go single player and then edit, and you can see right here if it's open, or once you create a new world, you need to just make sure that allow commands is on. So once you made sure that commands are on, you're going to write this like that: game rule lava source conversion, and then make sure that it is in true. Once you have that, game rule lava source conversion is trusted, then you can just place one here, and there you go. Now you have an infinite obsidian generator that will always keep creating. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.